English does not only live in textbooks. It starts in the small moments you already know by heart, in the messages you send, the streets you cross, the coffee you carry, and the rhythm of ordinary life. At home, learning can feel quieter and warmer, like something you return to without pressure or noise. Not perfect English for tests, but real English for daily choices, real conversations, and moments that matter. First, you listen slowly. You notice the sound, the feeling, and the meaning behind simple, natural phrases. Then, little by little, those phrases begin to stay with you, and speaking feels less distant. They help you answer messages, join conversations, ask better questions, and say what you really mean. That is what Pocket English Daily is here for. Calm, practical English that fits into real life. A place to listen, speak, and grow in English with more clarity, more confidence, and less pressure. Here, progress feels steady and human because English becomes part of your routine, not a task to fear. For work and study, for small talk and meetings, for daily moments when the right words matter, for the thoughts you want to share clearly and the version of yourself you want heard. With useful expressions, gentle listening practice, and simple support, improvement starts to feel close and repeatable. So wherever you are, on the bus, at your desk, or at home, English can stay with you. Pocket English Daily, real-life English for real people. One calm step, one clear phrase, one day at a time.